Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you this simple and delicious yam porridge recipe. So with this, these are the ingredients. I have my stinking fish, that's my money over here. I will also add some ginger powder. Then this is my beans too. I have some garlic which I'll also add. Then this my red pepper, also my shrimp cube. I have some three fresh tomatoes, and also I will add red and white onion. I'm also going to add some dry fish, half tablespoon of sugar. This my shrimp powder, and also the yam I'll be using for this recipe. So this is just half of it. Let's dive into the video. So over here I will just divide the yam into two and then go ahead to peel them. If today being your first time here, thanks for clicking on this video. This is Getting Cook, and please subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. So guys, after peeling, this is how I cut them into. So this is my preferred shape and size. Okay fam, at this point the water is boiling, so I went ahead to add my yam and also added the sugar, some garlic, some ginger powder, then my shrimp cube. I will also go in with my momoni, then my shrimp powder. I will give this a good mix, and I will also add the onion, then my red pepper, some tomatoes. I will also add the dry fish. You can use any fish of your choice. I will cover it and let it simmer for some minutes. So this is after 30 minutes. I will just remove the vegetables and go ahead to blend them. I want to use this opportunity to thank my new and returning subscriber. Thank you so much for always using your precious time to watch my video and also leaving a comment under my post. I do appreciate all your efforts. So guys, I'll just cover it. Moving forward, I went ahead to add my blended vegetable. I will then raise my blender and also add the water. I will give this a gentle stir and make sure everything is well combined. And I can tell you my kitchen is smelling so nice. The aroma is something else. So I'm just mashing some of the yam against my pot. But if you have an earthenware bowl, it can also do the work perfectly for you. Okay, lovelies, our yam porridge is ready. This recipe was delicious and yummy as well, with just some few ingredients. If you find this video interesting, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Also comment on this video, share this video to reach wider people. and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.